everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make focaccia. Now you can do this simply or you can do it with a really nice design, so I'm going to show you how to do this kind of thing. And let me show you how to do it.
We're going to start out by adding 1 cup of water to a small saucepan. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix them together. We're then going to heat the water to between 105 and 115 degrees and then sprinkle on 1 tablespoon of yeast. Shake the pan until all of the yeast is covered with water. And then we're going to let it bloom for 15 to 20 minutes. Meantime, take 2 teaspoons of psyllium husk and a half a cup of water. Mix them together and let them sit until the mixture thickens a little bit. Add a 1/4 cup of olive oil and 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and mix those together. Then add a cup of brown rice flour, a half a cup of millet flour, a half a cup of cassava flour, a teaspoon of xanthan gum, and a teaspoon of salt. Mix those together, and then take the yeast mixture and add that in. Stir that until it becomes a very soft dough. And then add 1 cup of tapioca flour and mix that in to form a nice soft dough. Be sure to have a collection of vegetables and herbs ready for decoration. Then take a 9 by 13 inch baking pan and pour some olive oil in. And spread it to cover the sides and bottom of the pan. Then add the dough to the pan and spread it out evenly with your hands, flouring your hands as necessary so that the dough doesn't stick. Use your finger to make indentations in the dough at even intervals. And now we're ready to decorate. Brush some oil over the top of the surface. And then cover it with plastic wrap and let it rise for 1 hour. Remove the plastic and we're ready to bake it at 375 degrees for 25 minutes.
Thanks everybody for watching, and please try it yourself at home and try some different designs, different vegetables and herbs, and have fun with it. So I will see you next time.